Department. Congratulations, because you are our Mr. Photogenic, Mr. Emerald candidate number. It's you, number 7, Enzo Cavero. Best in casual wear. And our best in casual wear from our Miss Emerald candidate number 7, Lawrence Luis Cavero. Best in school uniform. And our Miss Emerald Best in School uniform is you from high school level, Lawrence and Dania. Congratulations to both of you. Give it up. Alright, we have Lawrence. Are you ready? What's the number?
12.
Number 12, please. Wow. Alright. Lawrence, timer starts now.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang larawang ito ay hindi lamang mga salita. Dahil isa na rin ako na nalunod sa sarili kong anxiety at takot kung saan nakala ko ay wala ng liwanag. Na-overcome ko ito, na natutunan ko na hindi kahingaan ang humingi ng tulong. Dahil ang pagtanggap sa sarili nating mga sugat ay unang hakbang para matuluyan tayong gumaling. Dahil sa laban ng buhay, hindi mo kailangan mag-isa. Mahalaga ka, sapat ka, at may naghihintay na bukas sa iyo. Maraming salamat.